Longhorn Landscape, this is Alfredo.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me.
Well, it's a new day. It's Thursday. We started this backyard process of JB's house. We're going to be doing about 28 steps. It's gonna look sweet. And so after the 28 steps, we're gonna be prepping an area where the trampoline is, maybe doing some pavers, we'll see. But then up there, we're doing dimensions, retaining wall. It's gonna look sick up there.
Several days later.
We completed these steps right here. And now everything's based. And now we're laying pavers. We're doing Catalina Grana right here and dimensions 18 along here. The boys are moving. Looking good. We are done here. We're done with the installing. Now we're gonna get a chalk line and do all those nice little cuts. These guys are moving. So we are here at JB's project and we're compacting with the roller compactor because they're big pavers and you need to use that roller compactor or else they're all gonna crack. But even then with the roller, we still had some crack. So we're pulling those up right now and then we're gonna recompact.
The next day.
Well, boys and girls, we have completed JB's project. We're taking over the street right now. We have 3 trucks with 3 dump trailers, and we're trying to wrap up this job. As you can see right here, we're cleaning up the street, making sure that it's nice and clean. This morning we took all of the extra material that we had, we took it back to Parker Hardscapes. We're returning it. And right here we have my brother and Hera washing the street, making sure that it looks spotless. We are actually very thankful that we were able to get the job completed before Christmas. It's JB's Christmas gift to his wife. Let's go take a look at the finished product. So right here we have some drivable turf. This is actually something we don't do in the area. This is more like a California area style, but I'm very happy the way it turned out. So right here, we did a little patch of artificial turf for the dogs. We did a little landing here right outside the door so that he can place his barbecue and whatever he needs to have here. We then come down here, we got another landing, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps going down. In those 10 steps, we added lights to it. We also added these beautiful columns with some lights, a planter right here, and 3 additional steps. So here we did another planter, a walkway, beautiful retaining wall. This color, 10 out of 10. So right here we did another planter. He is going to be adding the mix. We did 2 steps here to get into this raised area where we plumbed for a fire pit, and we're gonna come back in the spring to do the fire pit. Artificial turf with steppers. This is a really, really, really nice feature. It's going to be very popular. Right now we have 3 jobs that are lined up that are going to be using this artificial turf with some steppers. Well guys, I am super pleased with the outcome. I am excited to see what Longhorn Landscape has in store for the future. I appreciate your guys' continued support. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.